You've been waiting for the reveal on the Recipe Keeper, and here it is. I have kits available for this project if you're interested. Look at this charm assembly. How adorable. Look at the little measuring spoon. This book is made out of craft text. It's got a closure that doubles as your pen holder as well. Want to see the magic of this cover? Look at the storage. The cover is the storage. The paper collection is called the Recipe Keeper, and it's free until May 2nd with the purchase of the tutorial. Let me show you what's inside. The thing about this cover is that the cords are hidden. No cords. And we've got a Midori style binding. If you guys are familiar with traveler's notebooks where it's cords, you get all sorts of pocket designs to organize your recipes. Again, everything fits 8.5 by 11. The organizer is kind of like the catch-all. There's another catch-all pocket right here, again for 8.5 by 11s. In your kit, you get these plastic pockets for 4 by 6s, which I just love them. There's also a grocery list. Look at this section right here. So built in right into the organizational folder, you get the catch-all. Let's not forget that in the cover, you've got a catch-all. Look, in the cover, I just want to demonstrate that you can house anything right here just in the cover in the front and in the back. And you don't have to struggle to get in there. The whole thing opens up. Let's go ahead and put these back. If you're a meal planner and you like to try new things, you print off a few recipes for the week, you can store them right in here. I get meal kits every once in a while, and I get a bunch of recipes that I actually love and tweak, and I want to make them. So I save the recipe, but wouldn't it be great, because I tweak things, to go into my specific category when I know it's tried and true. By the way, you also get a conversion chart recorded on something like this. Look at this spread for your recipe writing. I don't know about you guys, but I cannot get anything on a 4 by 6 recipe card, which is why I designed this the way I did. All of the categories, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and all of the protein categories in this version with the Recipe Keeper paper design or a blank version. So you get all of that in your project folder. And because everything I do revolves around memory keeping, you get multiple options on how to incorporate your recipes with photos. Wouldn't this be a fun place to house an oversized photo, a crop version of an 8 by 10? Perhaps you have some heirloom recipe cards that you'd like to include in here. I also give you options for that. I do not have any handwritten recipes that were handed down to me from generation to generation, but I would love to start that tradition for my family. And I feel like this is the place to begin. I don't know if you can relate to that, but if you do, let me know what you think about the Recipe Keeper. I hope you guys join me for National Scrapbook Day on May 2nd. If you would like more details on that, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Remember, I have kits if you would love to make it exactly like mine. All the materials I use, all of the little goodies, the kits are in the shop. I'm Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.